Well, let's go over some more checkmates, and I got a trap for you. It's called the legal trap. Let's go over it right quick. It starts off with e4, e5, knight f3, knight c6. You see the whole board? Knight c6, bishop c4, d6, knight c3, bishop g4, and then it starts off with h3, bishop h5, and you might think that we're just going to castle develop our pieces, but no, black already did a mistake. If you want to pause the video, you can right now. Okay, I'm going to continue. The best move right now is taking this pawn on e5, and if black captures this queen on d1, then we have checkmate in 2 moves. Capturing this pawn with the bishop at f7, check, king e7, only square, then knight d5 attacking the king, and that is checkmate. And this is called the legal trap.